Today we're unboxing the new Graco Drywall Toolkit featuring the Pro Surface Smoothing Blades. These are all new for 2021 from Graco. This is a great kit specifically designed for drywall and plaster. These new smoothing blades feel great in the hand, really lightweight. As usual, Graco over-engineers everything just to make it perfect for us contractors on the field. These new blades are completely stainless steel, super high quality, levels above what you're gonna find at your big box retailers or at your local hardware stores. This Graco Drywall Toolkit is gonna come with 4 of these smoothing blades, all of them full stainless steel blades. It's gonna come with 10-inch, 14-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch smoothing blades. It's also gonna come with 2 joint knives, also stainless steel blades. It's gonna come with a 4-inch joint knife and a 6-inch joint knife. Cool part about the 6-inch joint knife is that has a little Phillips head screwdriver here in the handle, which is pretty cool. As I mentioned, these joint knives are also stainless steel. The handle itself is actually aluminum, but the blade is stainless, so still staying with that super high quality that Graco is known for. And the last component is gonna come with, which is gonna be one of the handiest things that's in here, is this is a 20 to 40-inch extension pole. Combining this with these new Pro Surface smoothing blades, I'd probably be able to reach at least 6 feet above my head, being able to do interior ceilings, getting the corners up on the drywall, things like that. Almost eliminating the need for ladders completely. Just gonna show you kind of how quickly, I'm just gonna slide this into here. Snap it in place and I'm pretty much ready to roll right there. And this is what's coming with this Graco Drywall Toolkit. Also featuring this really cool composite case that it's come with. It's gonna be really great for transporting your tools and keeping them clean and safe. Overall, I feel like this is a great kit, especially if you're on the market for a texture sprayer, or if you already own a texture sprayer and you're looking to pick up some of the other accessories for your texture spraying jobs. If you're on the market for a new one, I would say